Hello, Game of Life 8. This is the instructional video for Unit 2, Week 5. This is our first activity called Business Profile in My Area. So last week we had you guys look at a specific entrepreneur and kind of do some background information on them, about their company. And now we're going to kind of move past that idea of the entrepreneurial skills to actually business ideas. And so we're going to start with this thing called a business profile. We're actually going to focus it specifically on Council Bluffs, since I would assume that's where most of you probably live. Kind of the goal with that activity today is that you're going to be thinking about where business is located. In this case, we're focusing primarily on Council Bluffs, but this kind of applies to anywhere you're at. But where a business is located can impact how they do financially, but also what they sell. Trying to meet those market needs or those needs within the community towards selling whatever their service or their product is. Some of the success criteria is that you can interpret some demographic data. Demographic just means it's basically data about the human population, so data about Council Bluffs that you're going to be gathering in that activity later on. And basically to understand kind of what it means and how it connects to entrepreneurship. So how does knowing, the population of Council Bluffs by age group, how does that help entrepreneurs figure out what business they should start within that community? And we'll kind of talk about that in the directions down below as well. If you look at our supplemental activity, it's another half episode from Iowa Entrepreneur, and this one focuses on the business called AgriSync. And so you can kind of read the little background there. Casey Neiman, I assume, had a passion for farming, and after multiple years in the tech industry, he brought that expertise back to the agriculture. So he's kind of using his technical knowledge to create a company that focuses on agriculture, which is obviously a very large part of our business here in Iowa. He's kind of, using those skills to branch that. I'm going to go over the directions here for this assignment. Please make sure you watch those because some of where you have to look for to gather that data, I'll kind of point out in that video because some of the websites are a little technical since they are, they're not very user-friendly. So I'll make sure to kind of point out where I found some of this data in the 3 links that I provided for how you're doing that. Have a great rest of your day and see you later.